Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. So I will introduce you to another interesting business tool today. It's known as Khatabook. So many of the people in India use this. So I came to know about it when I used to buy fish from a local vendor. So when they used to deliver the fish, we used to make payment using Google Pay. So sometimes we used to forget to pay the same day. So then I noticed that they used to send a message reminding us to pay, and once it happened that we missed to pay for a couple of days and we made multiple orders, but I noticed that I thought that they made a mistake, but when I went through the tally, it was correct. All the numbers matched exactly. So that is when I wondered how come they are able to track everything correctly. So then I clicked on the message that I got, then it led to audit book, which is known as Khatabook's page. So there I could see all my purchases with them. So they have logged every purchase in the app so that they could easily manage all the customers and they could easily find out defaulting customers. So this is where it becomes very useful if you're running a business. So if you're running a business, I would highly recommend this tool. This is not a sponsored video. I found this again, as I told you, while buying fish from a local vendor, but then I realized its value in the business. So you see this 5 crore plus businesses using the free apps. This is especially useful if you deliver things online, so which is currently happening. Most of the Kirana stores are also trying to deliver things, apart from Blinkit, Instamart, JioMart and all those things. So I'll show you some of the powerful features. So it has real-time data sync across different devices. It is available in desktop, in mobile. It has easy access for both staff and business units, and from one app you can manage all your business needs. You can get 3 times faster recollection with auto reminders. You can manage multiple businesses. There is automated backups, there is business reports to find out what is your daily revenue, what is your profit, and all those things are available. It's a simple idea that has grown to be very useful one for everyone. So they have an app also. So you see this. So genuinely people have given great reviews, as you can see here. Managing customer credit and daily accounts is simple and reliable and save a lot of time compared to manual registers. That's what they say. So this is one such app that has helped businesses significantly. So this is what I am saying. So this is the customer profile for that person. We can easily tie it up to a UPI account. So now based on that we can actually see the billing, what all things that they have purchased, and when they make a payment we can mark it as whether they have received the payment or not. If they have not paid it, you can set a collection reminder. In that case it will automatically send a reminder to them. So you see this. So the customer don't have to install this app or anything. It is a SMS that is being sent. When they click on it, it will take them to a web page of Khatabook where they can see all these details. So it helps them create GST and non-GST bill in seconds. That is also very good. So I hope this information is useful for you. Thank you very much.